Hey y'all, it's Jimmy here with True Homes. Let's check out the Cyprus 1348. This is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath home with a loft, bedroom, and bathroom upstairs. Let's first check out the front of the home. Look at that beautiful porch. I love the stone water table and the chunky craftsman style columns. We're going to enter through the front door here, and you can see straight through to the back of the home. Here at the front of the house, you'll find the first bedroom. It's a nice sized bedroom with a closet right in the front of the home and a full bathroom next to the home. This one we put a walk-in shower into this bathroom here. And here's the garage, so you can also enter through the garage and you come in the same area into the foyer entryway. Your primary bedroom is on the main floor, so your laundry will be on the main floor as well. Check out those cabinets and the folding table. Now we're getting to the fun part of the house. So this is the dining area and just a beautiful, beautiful kitchen with a huge island and then the L-shaped kitchen counter. Look at all that storage. You could easily fit 4 bar stools there. Have room for at least 4, 5, 6 people to eat. I love the backsplash on this one, and you may have noticed this house has a gas range stove. These are 42-inch cabinets. In our homes, all of our homes come standard with a 9-foot ceiling. Now this one has a coffered ceiling that actually goes up even higher than that. So the coffers go up another 2 feet, another 18 inches to 2 feet. I love the dark brown sustainable wood laminate floors as well. Here's a view back from the main living area looking back into the kitchen. And let's step outside onto your screen porch, which is accessible from the great room and also from the primary bedroom. This particular home is located in the cottages section at Edgewater, our master plan community in Lancaster, South Carolina, that has an 18-hole championship course, a lake, it's alongside Fishing Creek Lake, and tons of other amenities. Now let's take a look at the primary bedroom. Got a nice tray ceiling there. Here's a look back into the room, and we'll go into the bathroom here. You have the dual sink vanity and a gorgeous upgraded luxury shower. Even has the rain shower head as well. Nice bench. That is very nice. And just to show you that you can access the screen porch from the primary bedroom as well. Just walk right out there and have your coffee first thing in the morning. All right, let's take a look upstairs. Okay, now we're in the upstairs loft area. Spacious area, could be a second den, could be a gym, could be a playroom, however you want to use it. And here is a very large secondary bedroom. This is the 3rd bedroom in the house. There's your walk-in closet. And another full bedroom. So this home is 3 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms. There you have it, folks. That's the Cyprus 1348. If you have any questions about this home or any other home built by True Homes, let me know. You can see my contact information here. Be sure to follow me on the socials, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care.